Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Another episode of Prairie Wheeler. So last night I'm coming home from my daughter's dance, and I noticed that my steering wheel controls stopped working on the Jeep. Couldn't push the little phone icon and engage the Uconnect to make a call home to the wife. So when I got home, I opened up JScan and looked to see what the issue was, and got an error. So no check engine light originally. It looks like the check engine light showing up now. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like and how I diagnosed it in JScan here. Okay, so after getting that code, I hopped on the internet and did a little Google search on the code. And I was aware of partially what my problem was, but was happy to see that when I looked it up, there's a tech service bulletin indicating that that trouble code flags the X68 extended warranty for the clock spring. So this morning when I got up, I made a call down to the local dealership and have an appointment booked for tomorrow. Looks like they're gonna change the clock spring out, hopefully. Stay tuned and we'll see how the repair goes. I'll keep you guys updated.